guys, this is your boy CJ back again with another video, and this time I'm showing you how to use a Pilates ring. Okay, this is part of just the educational series that I'm looking to do, just to educate you on some equipment that you can use around the gym to help you on your fitness journey. If you love content like this and if you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe, leave a thumbs up as well, and turn on the bell so you never miss when I'm dropping content. Without much talking, let's get it. Okay, cool. So first exercises that we're going to do, we're going to put the ring. As you can see, you've got two grooves there. We're going to put our legs through the groove. Okay, and this is going to work the core mainly. We're going to get our hands back. What we're going to do, we're going to apply pressure to the ring. Right, as you can see, I'm moving my knees in to apply pressure. And what we're going to do, we're just going to come up and down. Nice and easy, just up and down. Just like that. Again, keep tension in the grooves of the band, of the ring. I'm just going up and down. Okay, so what we're doing now is just a sit-up crunch with the Pilates ring. Excellent stuff. Just gonna roll it over now, back on the ground, same position in the groove with the Pilates ring. We're just gonna extend our arms. We're just gonna come over and we're just gonna go into a tabletop crunch. We're gonna just work it from there. It's working also on the inside, the inner thigh area. And that's perfectly fine. Excellent stuff, okay? The next exercise I'm going to show you, right? Still with the Pilates ring in the groove of your knees. Still with your knees in the groove of the Pilates ring. We're just going to come here. We're just going to go into what's, well, some people say it's a Russian twist. We're just going to go, just going to move side to side with it. Perfect. Keep that chest up, keep that core tight, keep tension in the ring, work it over. Okay, awesome stuff. We're gonna work the inner thigh area. We're gonna get one leg down on in the knee, get another leg up, right? Rest it within the groove. Right, and all we're going to do from here, we're just going to open and squeeze. Squeeze it down. Keep tension there. Working that through. Okay? I'm just giving you, again, it's just some quick exercise that you can do to show you how to use a Pilates ring. Excellent stuff, okay? Another exercise we have is we're going to go bare position. So we're going to get the Pilates just a bit up on your thigh. I don't know if you guys can see this, but as it stands, just going to get here, just above your knee, in the groove. Inner thigh pressed into the grooves, and we're just going to go here. Keep tension in it. I'm just going to go to a bare position. Keep that back straight. And you can hold it here for 30 seconds, you can hold it here for a minute, and trust me, the core is going to be engaged, your thighs is going to be engaged. Excellent stuff. From here, what we're going to do, we're going to go back, just touch, touch. Try not to rock too much, just keep your back straight, core tight, bringing it in. Excellent stuff. Next exercise that we can do, we can go from a leg raise position. This time we're moving it from here and we're putting it down to our ankles. And we're going to keep tension on, put the tension in our knee area. So from here we can go right there. Give us some crunches, straight leg raise crunches. Working the core, or we can relax down and up. Remember, you keep tension in the Pilates ring. Excellent stuff. Last exercise I'm going to show you is we're not going to be putting tension in the ring. What we're going to do, however, we're going to go step in with your arms and out. So from a high plank position, we're going to go in, out. Excellent stuff. Alright guys, that's going to be a quick one today. Those are a few exercises that you can use a Pilates ring for. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up. And also if you want to see like a part 2 of it, because again there's a lot more exercise that you can do. This was just a quick one. If you want to see part 2, let me know down in the comments. And if you want to see a full workout using a Pilates ring, let me know. Until next time, this is your boy CJ. Let's get it.